Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe and staying warm. We are in holiday rush mode. I think if you still order today, we'll probably get it before Christmas. Or if you want to ship it out to your family member or somebody as like a birthday gift, housewarming gift, this would be a good company to take a look at. This is MAIRCLE. Whoa. Oh boy, it's been a long day, guys. So I haven't slept much today, but this should be interesting. This is a vacuum cleaner, cordless stick. S3 series. Powerful, cordless, long-lasting. Ooh, baby. I don't mind these. These are perfect for like small homes, bedrooms, apartments, you name it. Even bigger houses this could be good for too. So this should be a fun one to put together and test it out. And you guys, all I gotta do is click that link down below, which is my Amazon affiliate link. Not sure if I said it, but it's a safe link to click. Ain't nothing gonna happen. So definitely check them out. And go. Alright. Got that part done. And now, oh baby. Should be easy peasy. Put together just like the others. So we shall see how this does. Oh, baby. Right off the bat. You got the trusty old. We might need that just in case some parts might be a little bit different than what I'm used to, so we'll take our time. It shouldn't be a long video, but just in case, grab your popcorn. Get ready to experience. Wall charger to charge it. Okay. We got the brush, the bottom. Ooh, something new. A little soft. Put that right there for now. These a lot of goodies are in here. So at least they give you a good amount of accessories. We got some kind of couch brush. One of these funny looking things. Not sure exactly what that's for, but it tells in the instructions. And we got the hose right here. Trying to bring out the hose. There we go. Like a slinky. Slinky. Pretty cool. That right there. We got the sticker right here. So I'm going to try to clean this up so it could look good. Here's the extender. Alright, nice silver, nice color. Bling. Put this on the ground. Running out of room here. I don't think I need a manual. I think it's all the same basically. Setup. Put this over here. Oh, I almost forgot. There is something. Where are these screws? There's the Allen wrench and screws, probably for charging or to mount it on the wall, hang it up. What is this? Or maybe it's for this bottom stand. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Get over here. Be nice. Yeah, that's what it's for. That's pretty cool. You don't get these a lot in the other ones, so this is something new. That's why you need these. So it's in the top part. Just make sure you don't toss it. Charging base. Pretty cool. Kind of looks like a Lego stand. Nice 3D printed. Cardboard. A lot of cardboard. Clean up. As I still unbox. And we go. Ooh, there's a base. The big guy. This is what we need to get our cleaning done. So you can do, you know, especially with the family coming over for the holidays, you want to get the vacuum ready. This would be a good one to have also as a backup, or just something new for the 2023 guys. Didn't think I would be here this far, so thank God though. Pretty cool stuff. Nice, nice. Really nice. Alright, put that on the ground. Right, doo-doo brown. And now, oh, we got more. We got another. And another. We'll be done in a few minutes, guys. I'll be around 10 minutes. 3 minutes, and then I'll pause because I'm going to have to put this. Ooh, there's something new. It's like a sweeper. I have no idea. It has some wheels on the side, bottom. I got the brush right here. Should be easy to take apart. Yeah, you just gotta pop those and then switch. But these should last a while. Put that up there for now. Oh, we got some filters, it looks like. Or, yeah, we got filters. A couple replacement ones. Yeah, you get actually one. That looks nice. Keep that there. There's the main unit. Battery pack. Or is this a charging? Yep. Battery there. Cord goes there. Yeah, this is nice. Nice little package deal. A lot of cool accessories. There's another one. Okay, I might be over 10 minutes, so it's alright though. We got time. Gotta get this rolling. Ooh. Ooh, this is fancy. I can figure out which way is the top, which way is the bottom. Here we go. Look at this. That's definitely classy. Max. Got the filter right there. Got the top. Power. Gotta remove the tag. You can find them on silicone deduster. Carpet, floor, sofa, curtain. Dang, you can do it all. Find them on social feeds right there. Or call, scan the QR if you guys like to do that thing. Okay, so we got, I think, everything out of the box. Alright guys, pretty simple. Got it already connected at the bottom. Just got to put the base together. And this is the battery, so you put that on the vacuum and watch it go like we're going to do right now. Okay, now we have it juiced up pretty good. It's going right there. Got this. See, it tells what all these brushes do. Metal tube, vacuum main body, electric floor brush, charging base, sofa. So that funny looking one, which is there. And then 2-in-1 crevice tool, sofa brush, charging base, adapter, furniture brush, which I showed you guys, the hose. So we got that covered. Now, it's time to unplug this bad boy in. And then start vacuuming. I don't really know. I could show you the base and everything. So you make sure you slide it down like that. Line it up with the grooves. You hear it lock in. Like so. And then you can push these to release and pull up. So you want to hold these in and then lift up. And then right here. Oh wow. Yeah, nice light there. This room's pretty clean. You can see the tornado going right there. A little dusty, but that's alright. It's not that loud either. Yeah, it picks up really well. See? That's where you empty it. There's a little level right there on the side. So, really cool though. This is definitely a nice one to get, guys. So if you're in the market, I'll shut that for a second. If you're in the market for a new one, definitely check these guys out. So we got this. Got brush. Okay, they got pictures where they go. So that's pretty cool. I think this is for, yeah, you can use this as a wall mount. Or you could just put it. Oh, right there. This goes like so. So like that. And like I said, really nice. And that too. So shows you can put the cleaner right there, and you're good to go. So, alright guys, check them out. MAIRCLE on Amazon. Links will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See you guys soon.